So friends, now let's import the necessary interface and class. So first of all, let's import the list interface here. And later on import the class array list. Okay. So friends, now let's move on and create the method to add the data to the shared list. Okay. So write the method code public synchronize synchronize void. Name of the method will be add data. Okay. And the argument is string data. Data list data list dot add data semicolon. Okay friends. Now let's create one more method which will print data from the shared list. Okay. Public synchronized void print data. This out method and which will print the sorry, let's call the method here current thread dot current thread dot get name. Okay. Get name, select the method plus data plus data plus data list plus data list. Okay friends. Just give one enter here to looks our code better. So friends, here we have created one class with name shared data container which contains two methods add data and print data. Okay. With one list data list and as well. Okay. So let's move into main method. And create an instance of a class that encapsulates shared data. Okay. So let's proceed. Let's write code for that. New shared data container. New shared data container constructor. Now let's come into left side again, write the name of the class here, shared data container, shared data container. Name of the object I am taking small letters of our class name, shared data container. Okay, so let's save the code and see our error here. Shared. So I have take capital here, shared data container. Name of the class is, so make it capital S. Fine friends. So there is not any error. So let's move on. Now create and start two threads that work with the shared data. Okay. So write the name of the class. The name of the class is thread1 equal to new thread. Now now take one lambda expression here. This is the lambda operator, lambda body, add a semicolon here. Take one for loop here, int I, initialize I to 0, where I is less than 5, increment the I, okay? And for loop body, add the code in for loop body, shared data container, call the method dot add data, okay? Now let's pass the message thread1 colon data plus I, okay? And give the same column here, save the code and repeat this. And now let's create another thread with name thread2 equal to new thread, okay? New thread. Again, take one lambda expression here. This is our lambda operator, lambda body. Give the semicolon here. Again, take one for loop here for int I equal to 0, where I is less than 5, I plus plus. For loop body, shared data container, call the method add data, okay? On object shared data container, and pass the message here as thread2 colon data, complete the double inverted comma, plus pass the variable I, semicolon, okay? Save the code and now let's call the start method on the objects thread1 and thread2. So let's make it happen. Thread 1 dot start semicolon. Again, thread 2 dot call the method start complete the bracket, save the code. Okay, friends. So here our complete code. This is our complete code. We have done with our code. So friends, let's revise our code once again. Let's revise each step in the code so we can understand our code very well. Okay. So let's proceed. So friends, here we do have a class with name shared data container that encapsulates the shared data. In this case, a list of strings. In this case, a list of strings. Okay. Data list. The add data later on. Let's talk about the method add data. The add data method is marked as synchronize. Means only one thread can execute this method at a time. Okay. Which ensures that adding data to the shared list is an atomic operation. Okay. Now we create another method with one more method with name print data. So this is also synchronize method, preventing multiple threads from accessing or modifying the data concurrently. Okay. Now we created a thread 1 thread. This is our thread logic. Both threads 1 and thread 2 perform operations on the shared data object, calling the add data and print data method. Okay. Friends, here I have forget to call the print data method in both threads. So let's make correction for that and let's do write code for that. So let's proceed. Shared data container dot select the method print data. Fine. Thank you. Simple here. Okay. Similarly, I am copying code here for thread 2. Okay. So just paste that code here. Fine. So we have called the print data method in both the threads. Okay, we made that correction here. Okay, friends. So let's proceed for our code discussion. Both later on both the threads are started concurrently. So friends, with this approach, by synchronizing the methods that access and modify shared data, we achieve confinement. Each thread, while executing this method, ensures that no other thread can interfere with the shared data, preventing race conditions. Okay, friends. So it's time to run our code. So let's run our code. So friend, this is our output. So this output shows the interlude execution of add data and print data methods from both threads one, from both the threads, thread 1 and thread 2. Okay. So friends, the actual output may differ based on the specific timing and interleaving of thread execution. So here the important point is that the synchronization mechanisms in the shared data container class prevent the race conditions and ensures that the data is modified and printed in a thread safe manner. Okay, friends. So friends, this is all about the confinement in Java. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel CodeGP. Please help to grow my channel. Please add values. Please add value to my videos by subscribing to my channel. Keep coding, happy coding. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you once again.